how to fix Instagram crashing on iPhone or Android. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, just hit the subscribe button. That's helped me, guys, so thank you. So when you open your Instagram app and it's crashing, so that today's video will helpful for you. So first of all, just check it out, your Instagram app is up to date or not. So if this is up to date, then just uninstall and reinstall your Instagram app. After that, opening the app, hopefully your problem will be solved. Then just restart your device. When you restart your device, hopefully your problem will be solved. So and then just check your storage space. If your device storage is running out, then might be Instagram crashing. So if your storage is running out, then just clear some photos or videos or just clean up, and then your problem should be gone. So and then you can also check out, just go to a browser and search down detector and then click to the Instagram, and then you can see some graphs. So if you see more spike on this graph, that means Instagram is down right now. So here you can see there are most reported problem is 48% login, 34% app, and 18% on the website. That means Instagram now facing some errors, so that it will be solved. So that's the process. I can fix Instagram crashing on iPhone or Android. It's an easy process, so thank you.